Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My crafting idea for today is to create some wreaths for the spring and summer season, and I hope that you join me. I have this 9.8 inch foam wreath from the Dollar Tree. Well, let me tell you, these are hard to find in my area anyways. It's taken me forever just to locate these. Anyways, I also have these little foam balls that came off the floral picks. I have a collection of my orange ones. I also have green ones. Look at that. Okay, so this is one of those relaxing, enjoyable crafts. Now, you can use those little thimble for your finger, save your finger if you're using the push pins. I have my little screwdriver that helps to push those pins in. Now, this is one of those crafts, you gotta go to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas on YouTube. And while you're catching up on all my crafting ideas, go ahead and start attaching all the little foam balls. And again, I just want to make sure what's left of my pick is facing down like that. Again, you can use glue if you like. I would use, if you're going to use a glue gun, make sure to use a low temp, because this is foam and hot glue will melt. Supplies. Okay, I am going to cover only the, let's see, this is the back, so I'm going to go stop about right here and cover only from here to maybe about maybe there, and then I'm just going to randomly place my little foam balls. You can spiral it if you like, you can just wrap it. I want to show you these little foam balls. They are covered in iridescent glitter. Look at that. So you're going to get a lot of fallout. By the time you're done with your project, you're going to be covered in glitter. Just letting you know. Okay, just about done. I got a few more to add here. And then the orange, oops. I'll be done with the orange one. Just gotta find the right size that wants to fit in here. This is fun. I enjoyed this. I have fun. Oh wait, hold on. Let me use a smaller one. Tuck it in there. And do one more. Tuck that in here. I like it. Okay. Done with the orange. Okay, I'm going to start on the green one now. Yeah, I like this iridescent glitter. Here we go. I just gotta find the right size and tuck them in. Squish that one in there. I have some of my pins are sticking out here and there, but because of the way the iridescent glitter shines, it is not, let's see, how do I say it? It's not, it doesn't jump out at you. Just about a couple more. And the last one, let's see. Oh, let's try this one. Let's squish it in there. Yes. There we go. Get all around the edge. Make sure I got all my edges. Okay. There's the green one done. Okay, let me show you my ribbon. I have this ribbon. It's actually a Christmas ribbon, but I think it'll work really well with my wreath. I cut them to 12 inches. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn it like this so when I hang it up, it hangs like that. Turn this over. Okay, and then I'm going to stack them and then just put them about right there. And then I'm just going to tack it down with some of my push pins. And put 2 at the top. Okay, and then 2 more down here. Okay, and 1 more. There you go, and then I turn it over. See there? Okay, that's the orange one. Okay, and there's the green one done. So I have my 3 wreaths. Here's the green one. Okay, here is the orange one. Okay, and here is my 3rd wreath. I like the color combination. So cute. Here are my 3 wreaths. I like the combination of the 3 colors. So cute. We should not limit ourselves to just 1 wreath at the doorway, right? I like it. So cute. Thank you for watching Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.